Hello Creighton families, this is Miss Fitzpatrick and this is just a short tutorial on Education City. To access Education City, you enter the website at the top, that's educationcity.com. Once you have done this, you simply click the login button, which will take you to the login page. This is what the login page would look like, and using the information that your teacher has given you, enter your username, the password, and select Scotland as your country. Once you have logged on, this is the home page that will appear. You have a few options here. You have classwork, homework, revision, subjects, scores, online safety. We are going to click on classrooms at the moment, and this is what should appear. Any work that is set by your teacher for classwork will be shown in this tab. You can also access any homework set by your teacher here by clicking on this tab, and any homework that you need to complete will be shown here, and you should be able to access that here. If we click on the book tab, it will then take you to the work that is set. Once you have finished looking at your homework, you can simply go back to your home page. To access the home page, you press the home icon where the arrow is pointing at the moment, and that will take you back. And from here, like I said, it takes you back to your home page where you can see revision, other subjects, and online safety and scores. I hope you find that tutorial useful, and hopefully it makes things easier when you're accessing Education City at home.